Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you guys can tell, my hair is wet, my face is naked, and we're going to be doing a skincare routine, what I do at night after I hop out of the shower and it's time for bed. Hey guys. Hi Luke.
Awesome.
So the first step in my
Get unready with me
is I always put a moisturizer on my face right after I get out of the shower. It's actually a little bit colder, so I want to get some deep penetrating serum on my face. So I have a couple of different ones. Making noise there, Staci, you're gonna wake up the baby. I have a couple different ones that I put on my face. These actually all came in a BoxyCharm, these two did. And then I also have another serum. So the first one is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, and this is cruelty free. And I usually just take the dropper, put it into my hand, and voila, that vitamin C serum. It's supposed to brighten your skin, and then it also has hyaluronic acid in it, so it'll plump it. And then we have the KYPRIS Antioxidant Dew. This is supposed to quench and glow from within. So again, I'm literally just making a cocktail of serums for my face. And then this is just a 2% hyaluronic acid from Makeup Revolution, and I put just a little bit of this in here because you can never have too much. And it's just a cocktail. I actually watched a Get Ready With Me with Nina Dobrev, and she was talking about her cocktail of all of her serums that she puts on when she gets ready in the morning or even at night. And she was like, oh yeah, I just pile them all in my hand, I put them on my face, and then I go to bed. And I was like, that's me. Mine's like a mosh of stuff. And then the reason why I empty the entire vial is because I also put it in my hands, because your hands are actually the first place that you age, and all of the ingredients that are housed in those serums are actually going to be really good for your hands as well. And with it being borderline winter / spring, it's definitely like it's a little bit of a crazy weather situation right now. And then we're just going to push that in the skin. And I usually concentrate any of the serum like in the dry patches on my hands, and now they feel sticky as well. And then I take my jade roller. I just got this in the mail actually. This is supposed to reduce puffiness. And I read the box and it says you're supposed to start here and pull back toward the ear and then go along your jawline. It's supposed to tone as well. Then I'm going to use the smaller side, and we're just going to use this on the eyes. And I'm trying really, really hard just to not pull my skin, so it doesn't want to roll. And I don't know why. I actually have two of these. Alright, now that that has set in, I'm actually going to put my moisturizer on. I just need extra moisture tonight. This is from Saturday Skin. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm as well. This is a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and I just dip in and I blot it on my face, and then I, again, use it on my hands because your hands are aging fast and you're dry, and this stuff actually works really, really well on my hands. Like, I love it. Oh, now you guys know what I mean by like, I have no, like, I do this literally every night, and I feel like it has really, really helped with the elasticity in my skin, and it has also really, really helped with the aging and dryness. Like, I used to get dry patches here, and it was to the point where like I could peel the skin off, and now it's getting so much better. Oh, it's so tacky. I'm just gonna work out my little, pat this in, get it nice and good, tight, it's sticky. And in the morning, Honestly, these are some of the same products I would use before I put on my primer, my foundation, everything like that. And I'm literally just going to let my skin sit in this, absorb the moisture. Ugh, it needs it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my hair. Yeah. Oh, this mop of mess here. There are a couple of things that I use for my hair. It has like a wave in it, but as of recently, when I cut my hair, it kind of lost it, especially when I had clear. So I have a satin nectar nourishing gloss, and again, I'm making a cocktail. Then I have a Garnier Nutrice. This is a curl nourishing cream, and it says you air dry, and it's a buttercream. And I know Garnier is not cruelty free, but this was bought, you know, before that whole thing, and I just am not the type of person who throws away stuff. So after this one is gone, I will be getting some new curl cream. So just keep that in mind. Then I just run this through my hair like so. I try not to get it on like my forehead because it'll make me break out. And this just kind of gives it back its like life, its volume. And then I just massage my scalp. This really like stimulates your hair, your follicles in your hair. Depending on like how long my hair is, or like if it got really matted in the shower, I do use a detangling spray. This one's from Lush, and I love the smell of this one actually. I've used it on my son's hair when I cut it, so it kind of softens it and makes it easier to cut his hair, and it's cruelty free. But these two products are pretty much what I put in my hair. Sometimes I will put in my IGK Mistress Hair Balm, depending on how dry my hair is. But that curl cream, it gives it like a really great, like, it's almost like a leave-in conditioner. It softens your hair. It, you know, really helps it curl. Like I said, right now my hair is kind of like in this weird stage because I had clear and my hair is not curly anymore. It's just kind of like weird, but that because it has the, you know, it acts like a leave-in conditioner, so it helps like keep my hair moisturized. And I've noticed I don't get like flyaways a lot like what I used to, like static hair. So I'm just putting on some extra lotion because I can. Everything is just so dry right now, and this is the thing that I do every day before I go to bed. Even if I don't take a shower, I will always put lotion on. So the last thing is my lips, and I really like to put a chapstick or a balm on at night. Sometimes I will put Vaseline on my lips, and that helps really well. And this one is just a ColourPop Lippy Balm, and it comes with an exfoliating tub cream, and I use that one every once in a while to get rid of the dead skin. This I'm just going to, oh yeah, feel the hydration, and I put that on my lips. So guys, this is the Unmakeuped Staci. This is my skincare routine that I like to do in the morning and at night. After I wash my face, I like to replenish with moisture, tons of moisture. And as summer hits, I'll probably be reducing the amount of things that I put on my face that deal with moisture, and probably adding in some things that deal with sunblock and, you know, lots of vitamin C. Always the hyaluronic acid though. And there it is, my nightly skincare routine and my hair routine, kind of. Maybe one day I'll show you guys how I do pin curls in my hair. That's pretty fun. You get ringlets. It looks really pretty. I haven't done it since I was a teenager, but I can show you guys how to do that as well. If you want to see something like that, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys later. Bye!